A lot of patients are still having fatigue and mental fogginess and pain and other issues that need rehab.
New at 9, a San Antonio doctor is leading the way for COVID survivors to recover from the lingering effects of this virus. Fox San Antonio's Alejandra Guzman tells us how you can get into the program and what you can expect.
This is something that was definitely seen as necessary here in South Texas, where people are being affected by COVID.
Dr. Mónica Verduzco Gutierrez is a pioneer of rehabilitation after COVID.
It can affect patients long term where they may have depression, anxiety, or post-traumatic stress from being in the ICU.
Dr. Gutierrez saw the need for therapy and is now opening up the first post-COVID rehabilitation clinic in South Texas under both University Health Systems and UT Health.
We know that rehab can be anything from physical therapy, occupational therapy, speech to help with some of the memory, and then also psychotherapy where they might need behavioral health counseling to get over all the trauma from being so sick.
She's been working with COVID-19 survivors and has read studies from other countries on how being hospitalized for a long period of time affects the human body.
3 days, patients who have multi-organ failure can already have 10% loss in muscle mass, and by 10 days can lose 25% of their muscle mass. And so that's the importance of trying to get as much exercise even as soon as they can in the hospital and in the ICU setting.
I did go through a lot of pain. It caused me to feel very weak and tired.
86-year-old Consuelo Rodriguez was hospitalized for a week and followed up with rehabilitation for 3 weeks. She recommends anyone who's not feeling well to get checked out.
I think that is something that can help anybody.
Rehabilitation can also help those who were not hospitalized, those who had a mild or moderate cases of COVID.
Patients are having issues with memory or the COVID brain. And so it may be something when you're trying to realize when you're trying to get back to work or trying to get back to your life, and then you're having these issues. Oh, I'm not processing as fast. I can't come up with that word. And that's something that definitely can be rehabilitated.
Dr. Gutierrez says the clinic is open to anyone in South Texas who is still suffering from those lingering symptoms of COVID-19. They're also offering patients virtual options. We have more information on how you can schedule an appointment at foxsanantonio.com. Alejandra Guzman, Fox News at 9. Melissa.